Hello students, this is Akshata, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. Students, for the CTET December 2023 examination, Global Online application has come up with a complete course where we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of CTET paper 1 and paper 2. In today's lecture from mathematics section, I'll be teaching you the topic named as mensuration. Already 2 to 3 parts of mensurations have been uploaded. Please do watch it. This is the session number 17. If you haven't watched the previous sessions, please do watch it because this is going to help you a lot to clear all your concepts. So in this particular series we'll be discussing the concepts with the help of the MCQs. Okay, so lots of practice of MCQs is carried out in this whole series. At the same time, students, if you're targeting for the CTET December 2023 examination, for that a complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 and paper 2 with the following features. Full syllabus video lectures will be provided to you. Through this video lectures you can clear all your doubts as well as concepts in the session itself. At the same time, students, the questions and to solve the questions in the examination, the teachers are going to share lots of tips and tricks to boost your confidence and to solve the question paper with great accuracy. Full syllabus videos will be provided to you. Full syllabus notes in the form of PDF. These are easily downloaded through your mobile phone as well. 50 plus mock tests will be provided to you. Through this mock test you can test your preparation. At same time, students, the question asked in the mock test can be directly replicated in the examination as well. Hence this is going to help you a lot. Okay, question replication. Full syllabus notes will be provided to you in the form of PDF. Again, full syllabus MCQ PDF. Okay, so these MCQs are designed in such a way that these are most exam relevant and most important, highly expected, which can come directly in your examination. So this is again an important feature that is going to help you a lot because this is the limited span of time, and within this limited span of time exam relevant study is much more important, and this MCQ PDF is going to help you for that reason. Okay, so the fees for the paper 1 and paper 2 compiled course is rupees 3000 rupees. You just have to contact us on this given WhatsApp number for the enrollment of the course. Okay, at the same time, students, you can download the Global Online application as well. Now this is the question from the 3D structure. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjacent figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Okay, just look at the boxes. Okay, the first box given here is the cuboidal box. Okay, it is a cuboidal box. So what is given in this cuboidal box? The length is given, that is equal to 60. Just a minute please, pen. Okay, so यहाँ पे if you look, the length is given, that is equal to 60 meters. Okay, breadth is given 40 meters, and the height of the cube is also given, cuboidal shape, that is equal to 50 centimeter. The cuboidal box, in this we can find out the total surface area. Always remember, length is given, breadth is given, height is given. For the cuboidal shape, for the cuboidal shape, the total surface area, TSA, I'll write it as TSA. The total surface area's formula is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This is the bracket. Okay, this is the bracket. What is the formula for the total surface area of a cuboidal shape? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And what is length, breadth and height? You know this, guys, now from the figure. Okay, so just you have to put the values in this given formula. For shape number 1, that is A, 2 into what is the value of length? 60. What is the value of breadth over here? 40. Similar, the value of breadth is 40 into height is 50. Okay, plus height is 50 into length is 60. Okay, so after carrying out the multiplication, I'll get 2400 plus 2000 plus here I'll get 3000. So after addition, I'll get the value 14800 centimeter square as the total surface area of the cuboidal shape. Okay, now for box B. Okay, for box B, I'll write here, length is given 50 centimeter, breadth is again given 50 centimeter, and height is given 50 centimeter. So total surface area of the cubical box. Now this is not the cuboidal box, this is the cubical box, cube. Okay, this is the cube shape. So the total surface area formula for the cube shape is, please make a note of it, the formula is 6 into side ka square. 6 into side square, because if we see the cube box carefully, each side is a square, and we know for square we have taken side square, so there are 6 squares, so we'll take 6 into side square as a total surface area. Okay, so putting the values in the from the figure, that is 6 into what is side given is 50, 50 ka square, that is 50 into 50, right? 6 into 50 into 50, 5 5 are 25 with 2 zeros. Okay, 2500 with 6 multiplied by it will give me 1500. So 15,000 is the answer for cube surface area, and for the cuboidal total surface area is equal to 148,000, right? So from this we can clearly say that from the result of A and B, cuboidal box requires a lesser amount or the lesser material to make compared to that of cube. Okay, so cube will require more material to build the box. Moving on to the next question, students. A suitcase which measures 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. Sorry for if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Okay, how many meters of the tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? Basically, there is a material by which we are covering the suitcases. Okay, and this suitcase measurement is given to you, that is 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter. Okay, so what is the length? Length is equal to 80. What is the breadth? Breadth is 48 and the height is 24 centimeter. And this particular suitcase box, if we see, if you are looking at this suitcase box right now, if you can see, you can clearly see that the suitcase box is actually a cuboidal shape. It is a cuboidal shape, not a cube shape, right? So yahan pe we'll be taking the formula of total surface area of cuboidal shape, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Putting the values in the formula, this will give me 2 into 80 into 48 into plus 48 into 24. I'll just write it a little bit smaller because I need more space for rest question. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This will give me 2 into 80 into 48 will give me 3840. Breadth into height, 48 into 24, I have already done it. Okay, so 1152 plus length into height, it means 24 into 80 will give us 1920. So summation of all this is 2691, and 2691 into 2 will give us 13824. So I got the total surface area of the suitcase box, that is equal to 13,824 centimeters square. Now what I need here is I have to find out the area of the tarpaulin cloth, because here area of the tarpaulin cloth is going to be the surface area of the suitcase. Why? Because all the tarpaulin cloth is going to be wrapped around the suitcase. Okay, so area of the tarpaulin cloth is equal to surface area of suitcase. So tarpaulin area, length into breadth is equal to 13824. This will give me L into 96 because this is given over here. Okay, this will give us 1384824. So length is equal to 13824 divided by 96, that is equal to 144. So this is the length. Now required tarpaulin for 100 suitcase will be, for 100 suitcase the required tarpaulin will be length 144 into 100. This will give us 144 with 2 zeros. Centimeter is equal to, if I convert this into centimeter into meter, I'll get 144 meter divided by just 100. Okay, we'll get converted the value into meter. So this is how you solve the questions. Okay, such types of questions are actually asked in the examination. Please make a note of it. Moving on to the next question, students. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Surface area of a cube formula, please make a note of the formula. Surface area of cube, this is equal to 600 centimeter square given. Okay, and the formula for the surface area of the cube is equal to what? 6 into side ka square. We have seen right now, right? Side square. So 6 into side square. Do we know side over here? No, we don't know the side, but we know the surface area. Okay, that is equal to 600. So side square as it is. After this I'll get side square is equal to 600 divided by 6, this is equal to 100. Therefore side is equal to 10. Why? Side square is equal to 100. Then taking square root on both the side, I'll get side value is equal to 10. So 10 centimeter is the side of the given cube to us over here. What is simple sa question? You just have to know the formula. Moving on to the next question. Rukshar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Now look at the question carefully. Length of the cabinet is given to us, that is equal to, look here, length is equal to 2 meter, breadth is equal to 1 meter, and height is given is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, so area painted will be equal to total surface area of cabinet minus the area of bottom, because we don't have to find the area of bottom, so I'll minus out the area of bottom over here. Okay, so using this particular concept we are going to solve. Now a total surface area is calculated by using the formula of the total surface area of the cuboidal, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Just you have to put the values in the given formula. That will give us 2 into L into B will give me 2 into 1, that is 2, plus B into H 1 into 1.5 will give us here, that is equal to 1.5 only, plus height into length, that is 1.5 into 2, this will give me 3.0. so the total value will be equal to 13 meter square. This is the total surface area. And just find out the area of bottom. It means length into breadth. This will give us 2 into 1 will give us 2 meter square. Okay, so area painted will be equal to, putting these two values in this formula which I have written over here. Okay, so area painted is equal to 13 meter square minus 2 meter square, that is equal to 11 meter square. Okay, so this is the correct answer for the given question, where I have just to do two formulas, total surface area and the area of the bottom of the given shape. Okay, moving on to the next question, students. Daniel is painting the walls and the ceilings of the cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height are given 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meters square area is painted. From each can of paint, okay, 100 meter square area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? Now here again look at the question carefully. What is given? Length is given. Length is equal to what? Length is equal to 15. Just a minute, pen is not working. Okay, now it is. So here the length is equal to 15 meter, breadth is equal to 10 meter and height is given, that is equal to 7 meter. So to find out how many cans he can paint by using the paint in the to the room, by painting the paint to the room. Okay, so here total surface area of the classroom has to be calculated. So classroom is again a what can we say, a not a cuboidal, actually we can consider it to be okay, here basically we have to find the total surface area of classroom, right? So I'll be using the formula LB plus 2 into BH plus LH. So this will give me 15 into 10 plus 2 into 10 into 7 plus 7 into 15, that is equal to 150 plus 2 into 70 plus 105 is equal to 150 plus this will give me 350 is equal to 500. Now we have to require how many cans are required. So there are basically number of required cans is equal to area of hall divided by area of one can. Okay, Sorry for the inconvenience if you're not able to understand my handwriting. So 500 divided by 100 is equal to 5. So total 5 cans are required to paint the whole room. Okay, such type of questions are expected in the examination. Please try to solve this question as a homework. From tomorrow's class, I'll be starting up with the cylinder questions. Okay, and that will be the end of the session, okay, of mensuration. So this was the end of session, students. Thank you for watching it. If you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. And thank you for joining the class today. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.